Alice from Venngage here with everything you need to know about icons in less than 3 minutes. Start the clock. Okay, so what is an icon? An icon is a graphic representation of a thing. Essentially, it's a small descriptive picture. Here are a couple of examples of icons. As we can see, icons come in many different shapes, forms and sizes. Some can be very simple, whereas others can be more detailed. History lesson. The word icon comes from the Greek for the word image, and it originally has its roots in religious symbolism, but more commonly today is used in communication design. This chart tracks the use of the word icon over the years. As we can see, it wasn't used very much until the late 1970s with the invention of the home computer. If we think all the way back to the ancient Egyptians, 5,000 years ago, their language is called hieroglyphics. Glyph meaning symbol. It was essentially a lot of small pictures that they place in specific orders to mean different things. That's what an icon is. It's a way to show rather than to tell. A good icon should be instantly recognizable with its meaning easy to understand. Got it? Good. For example, instead of writing washroom on the door, you can just use an image to symbolize that this is a washroom instead. Okay, so when might you use an icon aside from if you're labeling a washroom? So icons are particularly useful if there's a language barrier. If there's not a shared spoken or written language, you can use a small picture to describe what you mean instead. Icons are also really good if you've got limited space in your design. We all know that this icon means save. The floppy disk is the universally recognised symbol for saving a document, and we can still recognise and understand its purpose even when it's really small in a toolbar. Remember that chart from earlier? Take a look at when Microsoft Word was invented. Another time you can use icons is if you want to draw attention to a particular topic or area of your design. For example, if you were writing a resume, you could use an icon to illustrate your particular set of skills. This helps draw the recruiter's attention towards that list of skills, and it helps the resume look more visually appealing. Okay, so we all know icons are pictures that mean things, but how do we use them effectively? Remember, you're using icons to make things more clear, not more confusing. Use strong contrasting colours. Make sure the icons stand out from the background. And make sure they're big enough to be recognisable. A good way to discover icons is to do an image search on the word, phrase, meaning or idea that you're trying to convey. Okay, we're almost out of time, so let's recap. An icon is a picture that means things. They're most commonly used in communication design. Icons are particularly effective if there's a language barrier or if you don't have much space in your document. Icons can be used to draw attention to a specific area or topic. Icons should stand out from the background and be recognisable even when they're small. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop us a comment below if there's anything else you'd like Venngage to explain in 3 minutes or less.